The future of banking is changing. Are you ready? Imagine walking into a bank where AI already knows your needs before you even say a word. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, with generative AI, GenAI, this future is closer than you think. But can AI truly replace human precision in banking? Let's dive in. The role of GenAI in banking. The world of banking is rapidly evolving, and generative AI is playing a massive role in this transformation. However, banks face a big challenge. On one hand, GenAI offers innovative solutions, but on the other, banks require 100% accuracy when dealing with financial transactions and customer interactions. A small mistake could mean huge financial losses or regulatory issues. So, where does GenAI truly fit in banking? It's not just about fancy chatbots or customer-facing tools. The real power of GenAI lies in how it helps banks analyze, organize, and utilize vast amounts of data to make smarter decisions, improve customer experience, and automate tedious tasks. How banks can use generative AI. Keycap 1 AI-powered customer support robot face. Imagine calling a bank and instantly getting help from an AI-driven chatbot that understands your problem like a human. GenAI is helping call centers and bank agents by reducing wait times, improving accuracy, and even training new employees faster. Keycap 2 Smarter marketing and personalized banking. Banks collect a huge amount of customer data, but how do they use it effectively? With GenAI, banks can create highly personalized marketing campaigns that recommend financial products tailored to individual needs. This means better engagement, happier customers, and increased profits. Keycap 4 AI as a co-pilot for bank coders and developers. Behind the scenes, banks run on complex software systems. GenAI can assist coders by automating coding tasks, debugging issues, and speeding up software development, making banking technology more secure and efficient. Keycap 5 Hassle-free customer onboarding. Opening a new bank account or applying for a loan often means tons of paperwork. GenAI can automate documentation, verify identities faster, and eliminate manual errors, making the process smooth for both customers and banks. The challenges of AI in banking. Despite its benefits, banks must be careful when using AI. They deal with highly sensitive data, and strict regulations demand top-level security and accuracy. Before fully adopting GenAI, banks must White heavy checkmark ensure AI-generated information is reliable. White heavy checkmark check data sources for accuracy and security. White heavy checkmark comply with banking laws and privacy regulations. When used correctly, GenAI can revolutionize banking by enhancing efficiency, reducing costs, and improving customer experiences, without compromising security. The future of AI in banking. AI isn't here to replace humans, it's here to help banks work smarter, not harder. The banks that successfully integrate GenAI will be the ones that offer faster services, better customer experiences, and stronger security measures. So, what do you think? Would you trust AI to manage your bank transactions? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Trend Today for more insights into AI and future tech. This version makes the script engaging, easy to understand, and expanded to 500+ words, ensuring it avoids copyright issues while keeping the content fresh and original. Let me know if you'd like any refinements.